Today you're going to learn about the isInstance function in Python. The isInstance function tells you if an object is an instance of a particular class. Well, what the heck is an instance? To say A is an instance of B, that would mean A is an example of B. For example, you could say the number 5 is an instance of the int class in Python, meaning 5 is an example of an int. If you pass multiple classes as a tuple, it tells you if the object belongs to at least one of those classes. For example, 5 is an instance of an int, so isInstance returns true even though 5 is not an instance of a str. If the object is an example of its parent class, it will also return true. In Python, everything has a parent class of object, so isInstance would return true in the example because 5 is an instance of an object. The happy path works like I described at the beginning of the video. 5 is an instance of an int, so isInstance returns true. The type function is used to get the type of a certain value. It's incredibly useful for debugging. That fact cannot be understated. In this code, you're using the input function to ask someone their age. Assume you input 22. What type do you think it will be? You might be tempted to think int, right? When you print out the type of A, you give back str, meaning a string. In this code, you pass a tuple into the sorted function. What type do you think it is after it's been sorted? Do you think tuple? Well, then you'd be wrong. Turns out, it's a list, and you see as much when you print out its type.
Like and subscribe to learn more.